I'm Khushru from Indian Blood Donors Nagpur. I was there for the first AFI, and I take this opportunity to thank Mr. Ram and Mr. Sanjay. They wanted, I was not going to come here. And I spoke to Mr. Ram. Aditya called me up, spoke to me, and I gave them a very big feedback. And I'm so happy to see that they took the feedback very positively. And it was again going to be a 1 day event, and they converted into a 2 day event in a day with the feedback. So, what I can say is AFI is going to grow in the years to come by leaps and bounds. And it's very, very good to see that they could take a feedback from a small social innovator like me and make changes. Thank you, sir.
With that, yes, the gentleman in the back.
Yeah, in fact, looks like the last year's feedback has been taken very seriously, and we have been given a lot of opportunities to speak. Today, in fact, I landed up into two very good interactions with two of my fellow YSIs. One was Saumil and other was Arundhati. And in fact, we proceeded so further that we decided from Sawmill that we will meet in Pune where we are based, and one of the event which we were going to do something together. So I think thank you very much for this opportunity.
My feedback on this mechanism of speed networking um, is that there are possibilities to improve the effectiveness. I I I feel that it might not have been effective for all of us. So there is a limited effectiveness of this mechanism which we have used. We need to brainstorm, discuss, and see how to ensure that it is more effective. I do not know at this. I don't have an answer, but I feel that we can also make it more effective.
Hello, myself Vamsi Udayagiri. I represent a company called Rural Yellow, where we promote certain products and services to rural. The good part is we are actually already doing businesses with certain people in this forum whom I have not met them, but this AFA has given me a platform to meet them, and so yeah, so it's a good thing, and there are a lot of scope for improvement from the conducting perspective as well as the program perspective. But overall, it's a great session.
Hi, my name is Rita. I'm with NASCOM Foundation, and I just actually wanted to say something kind of counter to some of the feedback on being more organized or more alphabetical or by category. I think there's a lot of value to the randomness. I met people that I don't think I would have normally met, and folks that I did not put my card in their envelope and came to find out that there was a connection. Maybe that works for me because the NASCOM Foundation platform is so huge, but I think there is a value in randomness.
Thank you. You were just mirroring, I think, the feedback we received in Forum 12 that says, don't keep it so structured, leave it unstructured.
Hi, I'm Sujay from iCure, working in the rural healthcare using technology. I was also one of the participants in the last AFI. So since AFI is an annual event, I would suggest that if you can in some way through blogs or something, if you can interact with the AFI participants and keep the interaction moving throughout the year, so that in the next recurring sessions we are able to utilize the various developments that has been done throughout the year, and that can be a good platform for that.
Yes, indeed. Yeah. Good feedback.